restaurants needing consistent cooking results, the full-size convection oven from eQuipped is the perfect kitchen addition. The oven is mounted on 32-inch tall steel legs, making it comfortable for operators to insert or remove pans from the porcelain enamel cooking chamber. Inside the chamber, 5 heavy-duty chrome-plated racks are included and can be adjusted to 10 positions. The oven's temperature can be set from 150 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. An indicator light alerts operators when the chamber has reached the desired temperature. The doors are designed with 2 double-pane thermal glass windows to provide maximum product visibility. They also have an interlock switch that automatically shuts off the fan and burners when the doors are opened. Additional features include a 60-minute continuous ring timer with manual shutoff and a 6-foot power cord with a NEMA 515 plug. For more information about this or other eQuipped convection ovens, visit us online at KaTom.com or call a customer care representative at 1-800-541-8683.